hold that. Real quick, while Heyman's looking for us, I want to show you how we made this thing. The body of the stone was designed in CAD and then printed on our 3D printer. And when you pull it apart, you can see the inside is Kevin? Just kidding. But inside does look a lot like our Fortnite cube Kevin, except simpler because all we need it to do is light up. So we have a light for each room, then a trinket to control the lights, and a battery pack to supply the power. And all the electronics are attached to the shell that we used for the first version of Kevin. Also designed and printed this little stand to hold the stone up. It has a bearing in it so it can rotate like it does in the game. Now I don't know about you, but sometimes I have to stare at a problem for a long time before I figure it out. For me, that was true of the stone, but it was also true when I was building the wall. I knew I wanted to make it on my own like they do in the game, but after building the wall, I must have stood there for a good 20 minutes before I figured out that I could use the tree to support it. To me, that's the fun part about engineering, figuring out how to solve problems using stuff around you. But that's it, and to be completely honest with you, I can think of several ways that I would have made this thing better. But what I've learned when designing something is you've got to start somewhere and you've got to decide what's good enough, because you can always make a design better. And so like with this one, you know, maybe we could have made the stand spin on its own, but that would have made it more complicated and it would have slowed down this video. So we figured this was good enough, but we want to know what you think. Was this good enough or should we have done better? Let us know in the comments below. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you we're going to be changing gears over the next couple of weeks and be doing some crazy things like making a robot for that ridiculous dog Shrek. And so if you're like us and you learn by doing, or if you just like our videos, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell next to it so you don't miss what's next. Anyway, let's go check on Heyman.